Hi, welcome to Carfagna's. I'm Amanda, head bartender, and today I'm going to be walking you through our Smoked Amaro Old Fashioned. So first, we're going to start with Evan Williams Black Label. We're going to use Amaro Montenegro. That's our base. Next we move on to bitters. 2 dashes Angostura bitters. 1 dash orange bitters. For our sweetener today, we always like to use local Ohio maple syrup. A bar spoon of that. And then we'll go ahead and ice. Give it a good stir. Get it nice and chilled. And then we're going to go ahead and pour that over our 1-inch cube here. Beautiful. And to garnish, we like to use a dehydrated orange slice right on top. And then of course, we do have to smoke this drink. Slow and steady. And the smoke is going to be wonderful when you're drinking the drink. You'll get great flavors coming through your nose, into your mouth, really just enhancing the drink experience. And there you have it, Carfagna's Smoked Amaro Old Fashioned.